Hey there, future millionaires. Welcome back to the Money Making Pals channel, where we unlock the secrets to financial freedom and living life on your own terms. If you're tired of trading time for money and want to build a steady income stream that works for you 24/7, then stick around. Today, we're diving into 7 powerful passive income ideas that can help you earn up to $30 a month in 2024. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to replace your 9-to-5, these strategies are designed to put your money to work for you. Stay until the end, as I'm saving the best for last. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all things money. Let's get started. Before we dive into the ideas, let's quickly clarify what passive income is. Passive income is money you earn with minimal effort on your part. It's not about working harder, but working smarter. The goal is to create a system that generates income consistently, even while you sleep. Now, don't get me wrong. Setting up these income streams does require some initial effort, time, and in some cases investment. But once they're up and running, they can generate income with little to no ongoing work from you. So if you're ready to learn how to make money work for you, let's jump into the first idea. The first passive income idea on our list is dividend investing. This is one of the most straightforward and reliable ways to build passive income. Dividend investing involves buying shares of dividend-paying companies. These companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders, usually on a quarterly basis. To get started, you'll need to open a brokerage account, research companies that have a strong track record of paying and increasing dividends, and start building your portfolio. Some companies, known as dividend aristocrats, have been paying dividends for decades, making them solid choices for long-term income. One powerful strategy is to reinvest your dividends using a dividend reinvestment plan, or DRIP. This allows you to automatically use your dividend payouts to purchase more shares, compounding your earnings over time. With a well-diversified portfolio, it's possible to generate $500 to $500 or more per month in dividends, depending on your investment size. Next up is real estate investment trusts, or REITs. If you want to invest in real estate but don't want the hassle of managing properties, REITs are a great option. REITs allow you to invest in real estate assets, like office buildings, shopping malls, or apartments, without owning the physical property. REITs are companies that own and manage a portfolio of real estate properties. By law, they're required to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. This makes REITs an excellent source of passive income. You can invest in REITs through the stock market just like any other stock, and they often offer higher yields than traditional dividend stocks. To maximize your earnings, look for REITs in sectors that are experiencing growth, like healthcare or residential properties. Depending on your investment, REITs can generate anywhere from a few hundred to a couple of $1,000s per month in passive income. Our third idea is peer-to-peer lending, a relatively newer form of passive income. Peer-to-peer lending platforms connect borrowers with individual lenders. As a lender, you provide loans to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Getting started is simple. Sign up on a peer-to-peer lending platform like Prosper or Lending Club, deposit funds into your account, and start lending to pre-screened borrowers. The platform will automatically handle the repayments and deposit the interest into your account. To minimize risk, it's essential to diversify your loans across multiple borrowers. By spreading your investment, you protect yourself against potential defaults and increase your chances of consistent returns. With average interest rates ranging from 6% to 12%, peer-to-peer lending can generate a solid monthly income stream. Next, let's talk about rental properties, one of the oldest and most proven methods of generating passive income. Owning rental properties can provide a steady stream of income each month, especially if you own multiple units. Here's how it works. First, you purchase a property in a location with high rental demand. Then, you rent it out to tenants and collect monthly rent. Ideally, the rent covers your mortgage payments, property management fees, and other expenses, leaving you with a nice profit each month. To succeed, focus on finding properties in growing neighborhoods with strong rental markets. If you don't want to handle the day-to-day tasks of being a landlord, you can hire a property management company to take care of everything for you, from finding tenants to handling maintenance. The income potential with rental properties is significant. Depending on the property location and rental rates, you could easily earn $500 to $2,000 per month per property. And if you own multiple properties, your passive income can quickly add up to $3,500 or more per month. Our fifth idea is perfect for experts, educators, or anyone with a skill to share: creating and selling online courses. With the rise of e-learning, there's a massive demand for online courses across a wide range of topics. To get started, choose a topic you're knowledgeable and passionate about. This could be anything from photography, coding, personal finance, or even cooking. Next, plan out your course content, record your lessons, and edit them into a polished product. Once your course is ready, you can host it on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare, where millions of students are searching for new skills to learn. These platforms handle the marketing, payment processing, and delivery, so you can focus on creating great content. The beauty of online courses is that they can generate income for years to come. Depending on the popularity of your course, you could earn anywhere from a few hundred to several $1,000s per month in passive income. Next on our list is affiliate marketing, one of the most popular ways to earn passive income online. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. To get started, choose a niche that interests you, such as fitness, tech gadgets, or personal finance. Then, sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction. Create content around the products you're promoting. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube videos, or social media posts. To maximize your earnings, focus on driving traffic to your content through SEO, social media, and email marketing. The more people who click on your affiliate links, the more commissions you'll earn. The earning potential in affiliate marketing is huge. Some marketers make thousands of dollars per month, and top affiliates can even reach six figures annually. With consistent effort, it's entirely possible to generate $1,000 to $3,500 per month in passive income. Last but not least, let's talk about selling digital products. Digital products are a fantastic source of passive income because they only require upfront work to create and can be sold infinitely without additional costs. The options are endless. Create and sell ebooks, printables, design templates, stock photos, or even software. Once you've created your product, you can list it on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. To generate sales, you'll need to market your digital products effectively. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO to reach your audience. You can also set up automated sales funnels to keep the income flowing without constant effort. With the right product and marketing strategy, digital products can become a lucrative income stream. Depending on the demand and pricing, you could easily earn $500 to $3,500 or more per month. So how do you get started with passive income? Here are some tips to help you take action and start building your income streams today. Start small. You don't need to invest a ton of money up front. Start with one or two ideas that resonate with you and gradually expand your portfolio. Be patient. Remember, passive income takes time to build. Stay consistent and patient as your income grows over time. Reinvest earnings. Whenever possible, reinvest your earnings to accelerate growth. This could mean reinvesting dividends, purchasing additional rental properties, or scaling your digital product business. Keep learning. Stay informed about new opportunities and strategies for generating passive income. The more you learn, the more you can earn. And there you have it. 7 powerful passive income ideas that can help you earn up to $3,500 per month in 2024. Remember, the key to success is taking action and staying consistent. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and strategies for financial freedom. Drop a comment below and let us know which passive income idea you're excited to try. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial freedom in 2024 and beyond.